Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's here at the website, Lowe's.com. Celebrate 4th of July. We got other deals, all the power tool deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more tool reviews. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon for all the notifications. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're here at the main page, Lowe's.com. You have to go down here to the tool section. And then you go to the power tool section. And this is where we're at. So, all right, we got some good deals and not too bad deals. We got a 7-tool combo kit, a 20-volt max power tool kit with soft case rolling case. It includes I guess a few batteries here. I don't know exactly because let me just check real quick. So it includes 2 batteries. So it does include 2 batteries. You get the XR oscillating tool. Pretty much that's the only good tool that I can think of. Well, these are all great tools. Just to clarify, these are just the older tools. They're still great tools. But yeah, that's probably one of the $100 tools by itself. So the newer XR. We got a $99 kit here. It's a 20-volt max. Brushless, cordless charger included, 2 batteries for 99 bucks. It's not the newest, but it does work. All right, you got a sander here. It's $119 for the kit. It says 20-volt brushless, cordless random orbital sander, bag and battery included. So it's pretty much the kit. However, this is the best deal, guys. Look at this deal. $269 for 5 tools. All right, you get a brushless drill. Get a brushless impact. You get a brushless oscillating tool with the XR. And then you get a brushless sander. So all these are brushless tools, guys. The only bad part is that you get this slow charger. Well, it's a regular charger. It's not a fast charger. But other than that, that's a great kit for $269. Definitely worth it, guys. So, all right, you got the fan. These fans did go down in price for 79 bucks. According to the last few times I went to Lowe's. So it went down. If you guys got the deal with where you buy the tool and then you get the battery and the charger for free, you guys got a smoking deal. But yeah, this is a newer fan from DeWalt. So let's just put it in the cart, see how much. Yep, 79 bucks. It says don't forget these. Yeah, I don't think they have this deal anymore. Let me just put it in there, see if it'll do it. Yeah, it's not gonna do it. So before, it would just be 80 bucks and pretty much buy the fan and that for 80 bucks. Here's another 10-tool combo kit. Most of these are brush tools. Again, they're great tools. They're just older, but they are great tools. That's the newer oscillating tool there, $549. You know why I keep saying that is because these is really easy to change the blade on the oscillating tool, and it's a great tool. All right, the next one down is this $159. I think this is a great deal. 2-tool 20-volt max brushless. So these are brushless tools. Combo kit with soft case charger including 2 batteries. So you get 2 small batteries. These are not the newer batteries, but you know, they work. Then you get a charger and then you get a bag. Brushless drill. Brushless impact driver. It's a great deal there. All right, you got the 6-tool for $249. Pretty much, it's a one. I would definitely stick with DeWalt if you can. But this is a good brand. This is a good household brand for the DIY. So pretty much a one-stop shop here. All right, you got here's another good one for the DIY. You got a brush This is the old brush tools. Still, they're great tools. Don't get me wrong. DeWalt 2 tool 20 volt max tool combo kits with soft case, charging 2 batteries, $139. This is a great budget kit, especially if you're a DIY. Alright, you got the 4 tool 20 volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, 2 batteries included. So you get the brush, you get some brushless tools, you get the brushless circular saw. So these are all brushless, and let's check out the price. Alright, estimated total. It says $269. That's what it says here. Let me view in cart because I do have another item in the cart. Alright, so it's $269. That is the price. Still a good deal because you get brushless tools there. Alright, the next one down, it's $159. It's a 24 volt max, half an inch brushless. Not the best deal, but yeah, it's a good drill. You got the sander there. You got the XR brushless 1cc by itself. It's $179. And if you buy it on the kit, it's $269. So for $100 more, you're getting all this. You're getting those 3 tools and a flashlight. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any more. This is the XR 20 volt max variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw, $179. You got the V20. I believe you used to get some batteries for free with this at the store. So I believe that's over. I don't know if it's over or not. But you might want to check out your nearest Lobes. See if you can still get some batteries with that deal. You got the sander by itself. You got 2. This is great for the DIY. 2 drill driver, impact driver for $99. These are brush tools, just to let you know. Great for the DIY, like I said. Got a 6 tool combo kit. Again, brush tools. You got the, what is it, half an inch drive cordless impact wrench, $169. This is not a bad deal. It's a good impact wrench, especially for the DIY. You got the oscillating tool by itself. You guys see how much it is? It's $139 by itself. And if you buy that kit that I mentioned, the first one, that's a great deal there. This kit right here. For $100 more, look at all you get. That's gonna be sold out at 12. Actually, it says 12 reviews, but that kit's gonna be sold out in no time. So if you guys are watching this and there's still any available, get it because it's a good deal. This is the 20 volt max half an inch drive cordless impact. This is the mid torque, I believe, for $199. This is dual bevel miter saw, 12 inch, 15 amp, $549. You got the new XTR tools, 5 tool combo kit, 24 volt max, under $400. You got a basic drill here, $59.99. If you're gonna buy that, might as well just pay the $100 and get the extra drill and battery. XR Perf Power Detect 20. Yeah, you know, if you guys don't know what Power Detect, I think it usually what it does is it just detects how much power it needs, and it just draws that much power. So it it varies on the power, saves the battery life, and it's more efficient. It has more power. So that's an exclusive for Lobes. So this is the DeWalt XR Power Detect. You got another impact driver, brushless, for $99. I believe this is the Power Detect. No, this is not the Power Detect. $129 if you guys want to get some brushless tools. At $129, that's a great deal for DIY. 2-tool, 24-volt max. Power tool combo gets off case. See, by itself, the XR is $139. So you got the XR Power Detect XR 2 tool combo kit, 20-volt max. Yeah, this is the Power Detect here, and then you get that for free. Well, you don't get it for free, but you know it comes, and then you get a fast charger on there. I got a reciprocating saw, $279 with the Power Detect. Yeah, well, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Well, here's another one too. $169 for tool combo kit. The great for the DIY. Yeah, that's it for today. Just a short video. I just want to share this with you guys. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals. Subscribe. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.